realtors. I was a mortgage broker for 5 years and I've been a real estate sales agent for 13 years. I have seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. I help my clients every step of the way. I become their friend, their advisor, their consultant, confidant, and therapist. I can definitely offer more than one services. As a realtor, we wear plenty of hats. I know how to overcome every single obstacle, not just sales related. I had an amazing couple that I helped that she was pregnant. We had to get a house before she gave birth. Luckily for me, my well-rounded experience got us to the end result, which was successful. They got their property and they were ecstatic. The look in her face, the joy of that mama-to-be is all the reward that I needed. This is why I do real estate. My name is Gigi and let me help you find your spot. What, you? You're looking for a realtor? You found her. Duh.